Kamusta? Magandang araw! Nandito tayong muli upang mag-aral ng math. Sa araw na ito, ang pag-aaralan natin ay obtaining equation of a line using intercept form. So, muli i-recall lang natin, yung general form of the equation ay ax plus by plus c equals 0. At yung standard form of the equation naman ay ax plus by equals c. Again, parehas lang sila ng value, magkaiba lang sila ng form. Pero tatandaan natin na kung anumang form, dapat yung value ng a at b ay hindi parehong equal sa 0. Yung equation of a line with x-intercept a and y-intercept b ay given by using the formula x over a plus y over b equals 1, kung saan a is not equal to 0 and b should not also be equal to 0. So, pwede natin gamitin ang formula nito sa paghanap ng equation of a line kapag meron tayong 2 points provided na ang coordinates nila ay a0 para sa x-intercept at 0b para sa y-intercept. Minsan naman, ang given sa problem ay diretso na A and B at hindi siya sa form ng coordinates. So, try nating sagutan ang problem na ito. Write the equation of the line given 0, 3, and 4, 0. So, dito i-identify muna natin yung value ng A, which is 4, at yung value ng B, which is 3. So, importante ito para hindi tayo malito kapag substitute na tayo dun sa formula. So, ang formula natin is x over a plus y over b equals 1. So, again, we need to substitute. So, magiging x over 4 plus y over 3 equals 1. So, pagkatapos nito, hahanapin natin yung LCD or yung least common multiple of the denominator, which in this case is 12. And then, we perform the usual operation when we simplify fractions, no? So 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3 times x ay 3x, and the 12 divided by 3 is 4 times y is 4y, so equals 1. So ito pwede natin gamitan ng tinatawag natin na MPE, wherein we multiply the entire equation by 12 or the denominator. Pwede rin natin itong gamitan yung tinatawag nating shortcut method na cross multiplication, kung saan minumultiply natin yung numerator sa denominator ng nasa kabilang side of the equation. So, pag ginawa natin ito, matitira yung 3x plus 4y sa left side of the equation, and then we multiply yung 12 times 1, so that becomes 12. So, ito pa lang, meron na tayong standard form of the equation. Ngayon, kung gusto naman natin kunin yung general form of the equation, mula sa standard form, ang gagawin lang natin is gagamitan natin ng APE or SPE, kung saan ko ano ang in-add o sinubtract sa kanang side ng equation, yun din ang i-add o isusubtract sa kaliwang side of the equation. So, bring down 3x plus 4y, also bring down negative 12, so equals 0 na siya. Ito na yung tinatawag nating general form of the equation. So, itry pa nating isolve tong isa na to, wherein we write an equation of a line with a is equals to negative 2 and b is equals to negative 5. So, dito kita na natin ang binigay na ay yung value ng a at yung value ng b. So, again, with our equation, x over a plus y over b equals 1, gagawin lang natin na isa-substitute natin, no, yung values ng a and b, which is negative 2 and negative 5. So, after substitution, again, we find the LCD, which is negative 10. So, actually, tatanong mo, pwede ba ang LCD 10? Okay lang naman yon whether you choose positive 10 or negative 10. So, as long as tama yung proseso na gagawin natin with our operations, we will arrive with the same answer. Pero, ito, experience will tell me na dahil negative siya, para maiwasan ko yung negative sign sa unahan ng equation, yung LCD, gagawin ko na rin negative. Okay? So, perform na natin yung operation. Negative 10 divided by negative 2 is positive 5 times x is 5x. And then, yung kabila naman, negative 10 divided by negative 5 is positive 2 times y is positive 2y. So, equals 1. So, again, katulad nung kanina, pwede natin itong gamitan ng multiplication property of equality or pwede rin natin gamitan ito ng shortcut na cross multiplication. So, again, pag ginawa natin yon, matitira sa left side of the equation yung 5x plus 2y, and then i-multiply naman natin yung negative 10 times 1, so equals negative 10. So, therefore, we have 5x plus 2y equals negative 10. Yan na yung standard form of the equation natin. Again, kung gusto natin gawin siyang general form, so mula sa standard form, all we need to do is to have addition property of equality, kung saan kung anong in-add sa kanan side of the equation, hindi nang i-add sa kaliwa. So, we bring down 5x, 2y, and then equal to 0. So, ito na yung ating general form of the equation. So, again, no, kapag given yung x and y intercepts, pwede nating ma-obtain yung equation of a line using the formula x over a plus y over b equals 1. Salamat! So, sana may natutunan kayo. Hanggang sa muli!